Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Trav, and today I'm going to be unboxing this guy right here. It's a new DJI OM 4 cell phone stabilizer. So whenever you want to shoot that scenery or whenever you need that cell phone stabilizer, this is the thing to go to. Everything online, I read the specs online, and I came to this conclusion saying I had to get one of these and try it out for myself. This stabilizer allows you to catch whatever scenery you are trying to catch, as in video, as in pictures, catch that scenery, and also I heard it also follows you. So this gimbal right here, the OM4 from DJI, comes with a bunch of features on the back. First of all, we have a magnetic quick mount, and also the gimbal is foldable and portable, so you can take it on the road with you. Also, it has some other features, which it has active track mode 3.0, and which it allows you to track the movements of what you're trying to track, like taking pictures or video. Also, it has quick roll, which allows you to take photos or videos real fast. Also, it has gesture mode, where you can actually use your hands to make a gesture or get the gimbal to follow your every movement, so that you will not miss a beat. And it also has story mode for the last one, in which it allows you to share your stories with your friends, your family, etc, etc. And it also works for Android phones, which you can download at the Google Play Store, and also works for Apple iPhones, so you can download that at the App Store. Okay, so on the side of it, it shows you what's in the box. That's what we all like to know. We have the gimbal, we have the magnetic phone clip, which allows you, if you don't want to put the sticky part for the magnetic part on the back of your phone, you can always use the phone clamp. You have a little bag where it allows you to put the gimbal inside it. You have the charging cord. It's the grip pod where you could connect that, and you also have that piece, the magnetic quick mount piece, that allows you to use the magnetic piece that's hooked up on the back of your phone. It's like a little adhesive on the back of your phone that you can just put your phone on, and it'll clamp by the magnetic. And also comes with the strap, so you can hold the gimbal with a strap at the end. And also it comes with a manual. So these are the things that it actually comes with that's inside the box. Okay, with all set, let's get this gimbal unboxed right now. Okay, first and foremost, we're gonna take off this plastic. I don't have my handy dandy blade with me today, so we're gonna just have to rip this plastic off, which is easy to rip off. I just like to use my handy dandy blade because it's all, you know, it's good. It's easy to unwrap a plastic. Just cut it and then just pull it apart. But this plastic was pretty easy to take apart. So we're gonna just throw that on the floor, and then we're gonna just open the box. So let's see what's in the box. Let's see how to actually open it. Okay, so I did have to go get my handy dandy blade. So we're gonna just unfold this like this, and then we're gonna just cut the seal. So we're gonna just slice the seal open like that. Okay, so right here it says create magnetic moments. So let's just pull this flap back, and right here is nicely packed. Everything is organized. I like how everything is organized. You have, let's pull this out right here. You have this clip actually pulls out with this packet right here. So basically the gimbal actually sits under it. So basically under this packet right here that you actually pull up with the accessories that's actually included into the pack, which is the pouch right here. You have that magnetic thing that's right there that clips on the back of your phone. And also under it, you have the gimbal right here, and you have the clamp for your iPhone or even your Android phone. So you can stretch this out to where it will fit your phone size and everything like that. And then on the back of it, it seems like it has a magnetic clip that will actually clip onto the gimbal easily, so it won't fall off and it will be stable. tripod that they said that it actually comes with. So basically you can screw this into the bottom of this gimbal, in which you can actually sit it up, so when you're shooting a video on your phone, you don't have to worry about trying to hold this up. So this actually goes under here and it screws in under the gimbal. So we're gonna just screw that in, and we're gonna actually just show you guys actually how it will look if we actually set it on the table. So we unfold these little flaps right here, and voila, it just sits down on the table just like that. Right now the gimbal is actually folded up, so we're not going to unfold it until we unbox whatever else is in the box. So right here it looks like it's so it says this little thing right here, this little thing right here, on the back of it, it says riser pad for small phones, iPhone 7, 8, SE2, Samsung S8 / etc. So I'm guessing this is some kind of thingamajigger that you can actually clamp on the back of your phone so that it will actually fit on the gimbal once you connect. This cord is a USB-C. A USB-C to USB. So you don't have to worry about, you know, not being able to charge this guy, because remember this guy right here will run out of battery. So you know, you might want to just charge it, you know, a little bit, give it some juice before you actually use it fully for that day. So we're gonna actually close this box and we're gonna just clear it off the table, and we're about to just show you what's inside this box. And so, like I was saying, it's nicely packed. So basically we pull this out, which is the strap that we can actually hook this onto the gimbal. We have a pouch that we can actually put the gimbal in. So it's nice, it's a nice suede pouch that you can put this in after you unscrew this part from it. So this is the tripod area where, you know, it sits on your table, so when you're filming, you don't have to worry about holding your cell phone in your hand. So you can put this in here when you want to travel, when you're going outside, so you don't have to worry about carrying it outside in public and showing people what you got. So you just put it in here. So we got the handy dandy blade right there too. All right, so we pulled this out, and this is we're gonna sit you to the side right here. So right here, this thing right here helps you be able to place it correctly on the back of your phone and don't have to worry about messing up. So, you know, you put this on the back of your cell phone, and basically you put this before you even peel this part out, because once you stick this part on, just be aware it's actually harder to get this thing off once you stick it on the back of your phone. So basically when you're watching a movie, you can actually pull this back and just sit your phone back and just watch the movie. And then when you're ready to use the gimbal, you close it back and you just stick it on the gimbal. So now what else is in the packet, which is look like a thick booklet. Let's get you out. It tells you, oh, okay, so we have some more adhesives right here where you can stick to the back of your phone. We're not gonna open this because I'm not gonna be using the adhesives on the back of my phone. I'm going to be using the standard clamp, which is this guy right here, to attach my phone to it. Let's see what else is in the box. So it seems like it's instructions on how to work your gimbal. So basically it's in different kind of languages. So you pick your language, you flip through the book, and you read about how to work your gimbal. So to unfold this thing right here, all you have to do is just pull up and they'll snap in place. So basically on top, or if you have it to the side like this, basically you can place your iPhone or your Android phone on the top right there, which is a strong magnetic piece that will actually hold your iPhone or your Android phone in place while you're shooting outside, whether taking pictures, controlling it, or taking video. Your iPhone or your Android phone will actually stay in place because it has a strong magnetic piece just like this. So it actually clips in and then your iPhone or your Android phone just holds up like that. Same thing for this one, where you just clamp your phone in and you pull these apart to reach the length of your phone, and then once your phone is in, because it has these little rubbery grips that will actually keep your phone in place, you just stick the same part right here onto the top of this, and basically voila, your phone is secured and you don't have to worry about your phone falling off, dropping out while you're filming outside. So basically, we want to actually still pull this part off right here, these sticker pieces, because you know, it just tells you how to, you know, place your phone into the thing. And then when you want to actually just take your phone out, you just pull apart, and then that's it. And then just put your phone, oopsie. Okay, so on the front you have a recording button, so whenever you want to record from your camera phone, then basically you can record from your camera. Also, you have an M button for mode button, so you can switch between modes. You can control your phone movement by going either to the left or to the right or up or down, and that will control your phone's movement. So if you want to look at something, you can just easily switch it around and it will actually switch around. So on the side right here is a forward button. If you push up, it goes forward. If you push back, it goes backwards. So it allows you to zoom in and it allows you to zoom out. It allows you to have better control of your phone camera. So on the side right here, we have the power plug, where the power plug will actually go into the gimbal. You pull this back right here, it will show you where you will actually have to charge this gimbal. So this gimbal comes with a USB-C to USB. So you just plug in the USB port. So on the back of it, it has a little trigger where it will make your phone go offline, like, so it will actually go into rest mode. So, you know, if you don't want to use your gimbal at the moment, you can actually press this, or it will actually, you know, every time you press it, it will actually have a different feature to it. Hold down the M button. Okay, so we're gonna actually, it says the power button is by where the M button is at. So basically we're gonna just hold that down and it's gonna actually beep. So we will actually have to download the DJI app. So we need to continue to set up this gimbal with the app. So we're gonna go to the Google Play Store and type in DJI Mimo app. And here we're going to install this app into our phone, and we're gonna have a pending thing that indicates that it's pending the download, where it's going to download to the store. This app we do actually need because it communicates with the gimbal. If we don't have this app, or if you don't download this app to your phone, then you cannot use your gimbal until you download this app, because this app allows you to communicate and connect with your phone and your gimbal at the same time, so you could be able to use the features. So right now we at 100%, it's installing the app, and eventually that open button will turn green. There we go. We're gonna click on that open button. Here's the DJI Mimo app. We're gonna grant it permission, allow it. It's gonna count our percentages, and then we're gonna have to go through the terms and conditions, privacies and notices. If you want to read through all of this, by all means you could take your time, read through it, understand it, and then after you finish, you can agree. We're gonna agree again, and here we go. We're gonna grant it permission again to allow the app to use our locations when we are using the app. So in your top right hand corner, you're gonna see that connect. If you want to stroll down and see what it got on the app, by all means you could. So we hit connect, and it's gonna search our gimbal. It says the OM4. We're gonna connect that. We're gonna agree to this. So after it search up your gimbal, then it's gonna ask you to click that little white button to the side, so you can click next, and then activate your gimbal. Right here, it's gonna connect to your gimbal. But right here, you can also click to buy other stuff. I didn't really go through that. But if you want to, you can look around. It says there, DJI OM4 owner. You know, the activation, they letting us know it's completed. So we click OK, and activation is successful. They tell you how to put your phone and how not to put your phone when you clamp it on to the gimbal, so that the gimbal could be able to work. They tell you the instructions, you know, up, down, record, power button, mode button. It tells you a little bit of information on there. So if you want to read through this, I'm strolling through, and it shows you how to zoom in and zoom out. It tells you what the trigger in the back does and what kind of features it produces.